Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to make a healthy and tasty sweet balls using peanuts and sesame seeds. This recipe is very simple and it can be made with just 3 ingredients and it will be a perfect recipe for kids as well. Come on, let's get started. Heat a pan and add half cup of dried peanuts. The peanut has to be roasted well till you get a nice aroma and you should be able to see some brown spots around the skin of the peanuts. Make sure the heat is at medium and the peanut has been roasted well now and it has changed into light brown color and there are some brown spots around as well. And now immediately turn off the heat and transfer the peanuts to another plate. Allow it to cool down completely and then you can easily peel off the skin. Peel the skin of all the peanuts and have it ready. In the same pan, add quarter cup of sesame seeds. I'm using white one, however you can also use black sesame seeds. After adding, roast them well till you get a popping sound. Keep mixing continuously so that it gets roasted evenly and you should be able to get some nice aroma and there'll be a slight change in color. Now the sesame seeds has been roasted well. Transfer it to a plate, allow it to cool down. The peanuts are now ready. Add it to the blender and powder them well. Add the powdered peanuts to a mixing bowl. After the sesame seeds has been cooled down completely, add it to the blender and grind it in pulse mode. Do not grind it in high speed mode, else the oil will start oozing out from the sesame seeds. It's been powdered well using pulse mode and add it to the mixing bowl. Mix everything together. I have taken half cup of powdered jaggery. Make sure it is free from any impurities. Quickly blend it so that it becomes smooth. Now add the powdered jaggery to the mixture. Mix it well till everything combines together. You can also use your hands if you want to. Now the mixture is all ready. You can start making balls. Take a handful of mixture and gently press it and keep rolling it. You should be able to get a nice balls. You need not add any extra ghee or oil or milk. All these 3 ingredients is sufficient enough to get a nice ball shape. Repeat the same process and make balls out of all the mixture. I have made balls out of all the leftover mixtures and our healthy and tasty peanuts and sesame seeds balls are now ready. Do try this recipe at home and post your comments if you like this video, and if you wish to watch more such interesting recipes, do subscribe to this channel. See you all again in my next video with another interesting recipe. Thanks for watching.